Hello viewers, today I'll be showing you how to hard reset your Redmi Note 11. Now, one of the reasons you might want to hard reset your phone is maybe you forgot your password and now you have no way to access your phone. Now, a hard reset will wipe away everything from the phone and put it back to factory settings, exactly the way it was when you pulled it out of the box. But sometimes you really don't have an option. It's the only way to get back into your phone or to recover your phone after you forgot your password or your pattern or whatever it is you use to unlock your phone. So the first thing you want to do is switch off the phone, and fortunately you can be able to switch off your phone even though you cannot unlock it. So simply press and hold the power button and the switch off menu appears. Tap on turn off and confirm you want to turn off the phone. Now with the phone off, what you want to do is press the power button and the volume up button simultaneously and hold them in until the Me icon appears on the screen. And as soon as it appears, let go of the power button and keep holding the volume up button, right? So let's go. So power button, volume up button, press them and hold. And wait for that Me logo to appear. As soon as it appears, let go of the power button, keep holding the volume up button. And there you go. So that will bring you this exact screen. Now from this screen, you can navigate up or down using the volume up and the volume down buttons. And to make a selection, simply press the power button. Now at this point, we want to completely wipe all the data. So I'll scroll down using volume down to wipe data. And then I'll use the power button to select that. And then I'll scroll down again to wipe all data using the volume down button, and once again use the power button to select that. And then of course it's going to give you a warning that this cannot be undone because it's going to wipe everything from your phone and put it back to factory settings. So once again, confirm by scrolling down using the volume down and confirm using the power button. And now the process has begun. It's going to tell you the data has been wiped successfully. And now you can go back to the main menu, of course, by pressing the power button. And from here, you cannot choose to reboot the system, so press the power button. And then confirm you want to reboot to system by pressing the power button once again. And now, sit back and wait for the phone to reset to factory settings. It might take a while, so be patient. And now, as you can see, the phone will take you back to the setup screen where you can set up your phone as a brand new phone. And that's basically how to hard reset your Redmi Note 11. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.